One, step back from me. It's too late. You're going. It's an on beach, right?
What are you arresting me for? Can anyone tell me what I'm arresting for?
You're trying to go hands-on with our people.
Oh no, we don't want that.
You only lady assault. She's already been exposed now already.
Hey,
what is her supervisor?
All right, let's do this. Walk with me over here. Come over here. Still in there? Where you standing right now? Hey, come here. Let's go here and sit down.
No.
You don't want to sit down? Well, understand this right now. You're no longer welcome here. Okay, if you try to re-enter, you're going to be arrested for trespassing. You understand? All right, it's their call. Okay, whatever happened, it doesn't matter at this point in time. So just understand what I'm saying. I want to make this clear. You are not allowed back in the arena tonight. It doesn't matter. I'm just letting you know.
I need a reason.
Okay, if you go back in, you're going to come with me.
Why?
You're going to have to post bond to get you out of jail. I'm just telling you. I don't want to argue with you.
Why?
It's cold out here.
Why?
Okay? So you heard what I said. So from this point on, if you go back inside, no one else is going to tell you anything else, okay?
I'm giving you a reason why.
You're entirely too drunk. Time to go home.
Nope.
If you go back over, you're going to jail. That's your option. Home or jail.
I've already told you, okay?
I'm going to need a reason from you, and I'm going to need a reason from you.
Let her push it. Let her push it.
Oh, you don't have a reason.
Y'all are good. So she tried to come back in. I'm gonna hang tight here in the lobby. So don't deal with her. Don't talk with her. Don't encourage her anyway. Don't talk to her. Just go inside.
We're gonna write a written.
It is a reason. Start walking. We're done.
Haley,
I have a ticket.
Haley, you're entirely
and I have
too
a
drunk.
reason.
You're entirely
What's
too drunk.
your reason?
You're too drunk.
Nope.
You're too. Yes, that's why.
No.
Well, that's why. You wanted a reason. You've got one. Now you have to go.
No, that's not a reason.
Give me a reason. What is the reason to you?
Because I have a ticket inside. What's your reason? For public intoxication.
We could do that if you want to. I mean, do you want to go to jail tonight?
No.
Okay, because that's what's going to happen.
No, it's not.
Okay, it's going to happen.
No, it's not.
Okay, I'm asking you to leave.
No.
I'm telling you to leave. And pretty soon I'm going to make you leave. Okay, that's going to be in handcuffs and it's going to be in Ada County Jail.
What's your reason to get inside?
Okay, step back from me. One, step back from me. Two, okay, you go to jail.
No. I do not step back. Hey, I didn't step back. I will.
We tried.
You did not investigate.
We tried.
I did not investigate. I didn't investigate.
Don't worry about it.
Nope. Nope, I did not.
Are you a student here?
Not.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am.
Okay. I get it.
Do not handcuff me.
It's too late. You're going home. You go to jail.
What? You want me because I want to go inside?
You want to go to jail is what it sounds like.
No, I did not.
No, and we're going to make that happen for you.
No, I did not.
Yeah.
No, I did not.
I gave you like 100 times. Some
No,
of my partners.
you did not.
You wanted a reason? We gave it to you.
No.
So now you get to go to jail for the rest of the night.
No, you did not. Have you guys breathalyzed me?
Don't need to.
Have you guys breathalyzed me?
Don't need to, huh?
Yeah, you do.
No.
Yeah, you do.
You're being arrested for trespassing.
No, you did not.
Yep.
I have a ticket. I have a ticket. I have a ticket.
All right, I understand you're here with some friends. You live on campus right now? Mm-hmm. You do live on campus right now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And you got your ID and stuff?
Yes,
and I got your phone. I just took it out of your back pocket, okay?
Yes, I do.
I'll get one of these guys just come sign real quick.
Hey, we need a ride.
I got her purse and stuff right here. Can one of y'all just sign real quick? Citation real quick.
Nope. Hey, give me my ID. Give me my ID.
I got your purse.
Hey, where's my Miranda right?
Keep walking.
Nope. Where's my ID?
I got your purse right here.
Where's my Miranda rights? Ah! No Miranda rights. No Miranda rights. No arrest.
You okay?
Nope.
Actually.
Hey, where's my ID? Let go of me.
Stop.
You got it bad.
Where's my ID?
We have all your stuff.
Where's my ID?
So we just get one of y'all just to sign.
I don't know. Do you?
We have all your stuff.
I'm not driving. I'm not going nowhere. For what? For what? For what?
What's that?
For what?
Yeah.
Trespassing? I have a ticket.
Well, we just, it's an on-view trespass.
I have a ticket.
Well, yeah, true.
For what?
But
For what? What are you guys arresting me for?
we already told you.
Tell me. Tell me.
We told you were trespassing.
No, you're not. I
You
have a
refused to
ticket.
leave.
I have a
We
ticket.
understand that you
I
have a
have
ticket.
my Miranda right.
I think you're highly
I
intoxicated right now, so you don't understand everything
No,
that's
I
going
don't
on.
think you understand. I have my Miranda rights and I have my ticket. So
So no one's
what is
questioning
it?
you about anything else, okay? So
What
don't
is
worry
it then?
about
What
that.
is it then? What are you
You had the
asking me for?
opportunity to go ahead and leave on your free will, but
Nope,
you chose
I'm
not
not
to
going
leave.
on my free will. What are you arresting me for?
Trespassing.
Nope. I have my ticket and I have my Miranda rights.
Well, maybe when you sober up, you'll realize what's going on.
Yep.
Okay.
So what is it?
How old are you, Haley?
I'm 21.
Give her ID.
Where's my ID? Where's my purse?
I got your purse right here, baby.
Yep. Get it out. Get it out.
Copy that. I am handling the paperwork right now. Jeff DeWest, meet me at entry 2, please.
I am under a correspondence. I will not drive home. I am under a Miranda rights. What are you arresting me for? Hey, can anyone tell me what I'm arresting for?
I told you twice already.
What?
Trespassing.
Trespassing?
Yes, ma'am.
No, I have a ticket.
Okay.
No, we're going to jail.
Nope, I have a ticket. Nope, I have a ticket to the Extra Mile Arena.
They're just filling it out real quick.
Guys,
Here, let me see that. I'll fill it out.
I have a ticket. I don't want to cause no trouble. I have a ticket, and I don't want to cause no trouble. Oh, trust me. Trust me.
What's your name? Haley? You were given like 15 times to walk away.
Yes, and you guys didn't stop me.
All you wanted was a reason to leave. We gave it to you.
I want to go inside.
No, you're going to jail.
Because I have the Miranda rights.
You want your Miranda rights read to you?
Yes.
Okay, I'll do that for you. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to an attorney for advice before we ask you any questions and have him with you during questioning. If you so desire and cannot afford one, an attorney will be appointed to represent you without charge before questioning. If you decide to answer questions now without an attorney present, you will still have the right to stop answering at any time. You also have the right to stop answering any time until you've talked to an attorney. Do you understand your rights?
Yes.
There you go.
So why am I being arrested?
For trespassing.
Trespassing. I have a ticket. I have a ticket. Ooh, the kid.
These officers clearly told you to leave.
Which
we
one?
told you to
Which
leave.
one? Which one?
They were they
Which one?
ejected you.
Which
ejected
one?
you.
Which one?
Both of them probably.
No. I have a ticket. And I have a ticket to get. I've done nothing wrong.
You had to eject her. But you ejected her out. Yeah.
Sit down.
I
Sit
have
down.
a right to. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? What's your name?
Just said it.
What's his name?
My name's Officer Gray.
Hey Haley, what's a good phone number for you? You don't have a phone? Help me out. I'm trying to help you out. What's a good phone number
You're not
for
trying
you?
to help me out.
I'm trying to help you out.
I'm not trying to help me out.
What's a good phone number for you, real
You're not
quick?
trying to help me out. You guys are all fucked up. You guys are all fucked. Fuck you.
You don't want to give me your phone
Fuck
number?
you.
Stop messing with it. It won't move.
Let me give me on my face. I'm comfortable.
They're not meant to be comfortable.
Yeah,
If you would've-
I'm not me.
And if you would have left,
What
they
have
would
I
be on
done?
you.
What have I done? What have I done?
Now I've been explaining that probably 15 times
What
as
have
well.
I done? Oh, explain to me.
You didn't leave and you were told to leave.
Yes, I did.
No, you're not. No, you didn't, or you wouldn't be here right now.
You're so asshole. Do you know that?
Sorry you feel that way.
You're an asshole.
I was sorry you feel that way.
I'm sorry, do you feel that way? Do you just feel in your mind? Oh, I do.
Jeffrey, you want to code 4 over the floor for me? I just thought we finished the shot. Yeah.
Let me go. Let my arm go.
Do you have anything else on you I need to know about? Anything in your pockets? Didn't tuck that, nothing like that? Okay, stand up. Stand up. Stand up from me.
But you
Yeah.
are not allowed to come
me run
in the
her.
extra mile arena, or you will be trespassing onto extra mile arena's property.
Let me go. Let me.
Are you
let my
Hey,
arm
Johnson.
go.
Yeah,
When you're done
Do
with
you
that,
understand?
I'm going to have Jeff take a picture of that so we can send that to command.
that's
Let
fine.
you go.
Sounds good.
Give me 1 second
No,
here.
you're good, brother. Take your
Do you
time.
7,000.
understand?
I
All right.
don't want. I don't want man touching my arm. Let my arm go.
Let's see.
Let my arm go.
No, stop pulling away.
I agree.
On the back of that paper, okay?
They're gonna take me again.
Alright, stand
They're
up.
gonna take me
I'll let you
again.
take a picture of that.
Very good. Stand up.
I'm sorry. I'm gonna need to tell me you again. Hey, I need my ring right. I need her to tell me what's your
You can bounce out early and write that thing if you want. You know what I mean? Unfortunately, we got to get it done.
Yeah,
I have their names and
you
stuff.
got their names. Okay. Yeah, if you just text them to me, that'll work right there.
She didn't tell me what she had to say.
Still hers, too. Johnson,
Yep.
this is probably hers, too. This is on the ground. Right next to her. Where she was. Man, this is Wes. We're cleared.
Trespassing.
Okay, put hooks on that. I don't know what you said. 2862. 2862. Needs to be transporting your truck.
Thanks, sir.
Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. And this is
Thank
her
you.
purse.
Good to go?
You got my handcuffs. Just throw them in my cubicle.
Your box?
Yeah.
Or your cubicle?
Or on my desk.
Okay.
All right, y'all good? Y'all good? Y'all good?
I was done. I didn't need to.
What time is it?